Some roll slow on little tires, with a whole big crowd around. It's the laughs, the tips, the builds, the crew, the story shared week after week. And if you love this RC life, you already know where to be. Let that guitar kick in, bright and gritty, like a shop door rolling open. Drums driving, the bass steady, a fresh built rig heading for the dark. Thursday night is the place to be, hanging out on the tank RC. RC talk, pull up a chair, there's always room for you there. Tanks, tips, down the wrist, bamboo prints and custom things. Now knocking on 500 shows, still building more than anyone knows. Thursday nights is the place to be, with friends near and far on the tank RC. Yeah, the print's still humming, the next rig's on the stand. Tank keeps rolling steady, with the whole crew close at hand.